Actually, konti lang po yung time na for the preparation kasi nag-exam pa po namin nun.
Wear my heart on my sleeve.
So, mga siguro po, less than 3 weeks lang po yung preparation, kaya medyo stressful.
Bakit Paris yung team ng celebration?
You're hiding behind.
Pangarap ko po kasi makapunta sa Paris. Saka, di ba po yun daw po yung parang most romantic city.
Reading between your lines.
Saka yung Eiffel Tower po, parang gusto ko talaga makapag-picture ganun.
How do you feel celebrating your birthday?
Kinakabahan. Hindi ko alam kung anong mga mangyayari
I'm a
mamaya.
beautiful mess beside you. I'll try to pretend.
Wala naman po. Okay. Contented naman po ako sa kung anong meron naman ako.
I'm biting my tongue. It's eager. I'm fighting to buy my time.
Sobrang thankful po ako kasi dahil nga po rush, diba po, lagi ko silang sinasabi na, tara po, ganyan, kahit busy sila, pinipilit ko na samahan ako, tapos, yung mga pinupuntahan namin kung saan-saan po, tapos, minsan ako pa yung nagagalit kasi, yung parang time ko, sinasabi ko sa kanila, ako lang talaga sa time. Kung April 13 po yun, baka hindi mo matuloy yung part.
And now, ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, and let's all rise and welcome our lovely debutant and women of Banzer. Please welcome Miss Claire Guerrero.
Meron ka bang ina-expect na special someone na darating?
Wala naman po.
She will be escorted by her brother, Andrew Guerrero.
We can't seem to sway in time. 'Cause I'm red when you were blue, and you're difficult too. But I'd argue with you any day, 'cause we're lost now. So lost now. The slipper will break, midnight will chime, and a star that we wish on will fade over time. 'Cause growing pains ache and tempers collide, but love like wine will grow sweeter with time. 'Cause we're lost and so lost and we're scared to death, but we're learning the thrill of the fall. Oh, we're lost and so lost and waltzing around with our fragile glass hearts in our hands.
Sobrang saya po and thankful po ako kasi naging successful to. Ayun po. And kay God po sa pagbibigay ng magandang weather and para sa mga parents ko.
pretend